And we've got like everything with this storm, so.
And it's hard because nothing has melted, so there's so much ice and chunks on the road.
I was just talking to Brianna too about the ice chunks even in the ocean. That may exacerbate some of the issues right along our coastline in terms of the coastal flood threat. So there's a lot to break down here. Let's start with the weather impacts. Hazardous travel will have a high impact through the day tomorrow, damaging wind gusts. And the reason we're concerned with this too is because obviously there's a lot of cold air coming in behind this storm. Again, it's been so cold, so for those that do lose power, we're talking about sub-zero wind chills and temperatures that will go sub-zero as we head into Friday night and Saturday. Coastal flooding going to be an impact here with minor to moderate pockets, some freezing spray. This is a life-threatening storm for our marine community. And then the frigid cold going to exacerbate issues too for Friday and Saturday. Now, temperatures this morning, sub-zero in Concord, but not as cold as we were 24 hours ago. It's 18 in Boston right now, not bad. 9 in Taunton, same in Worcester. Quiet conditions this morning, no issues this afternoon, even through the evening hours. There's energy coming into the Midwest with some snow showers from Michigan down through Indiana. There's the pink you see in the panhandle of Florida this morning, snowing in parts of Louisiana and Mississippi. This moisture and energy are going to work and kind of combine with this East Coast storm and intensify rapidly as it passes to the east of Cape Cod during the day tomorrow. So today's the day to get things done. Upper 20s won't feel as bad as we've been. Less wind, not as cold. Snow develops tonight, teens north and west. Overnight low about 20 in Boston. The highs will only be in the 20s tomorrow, although on Cape Cod be a little bit milder in the low 30s. So in terms of snow consistency, it'll be a wetter, pastier snow at the coastline from the south shore of the Cape and fluffier, particularly the farther north and west you go with colder temperatures. All right, snow develops between about 1 and 3 a.m. Ramp things up tomorrow morning. It's snowing for most of the day tomorrow. It's an all-day event. We get rain on Cape Cod in the morning, heavy rain though at that, and then a changeover from the mid and outer Cape late morning to midday. Snow continues right on through the early evening. This is a map at 6:30. Still areas of snow around, gradually tapering after that. I'd say especially after 8 p.m. tomorrow, we see an intensity tapering off, the coverage tapering off, and then the sun's back with skies clearing. Sun's out by Friday morning. So widespread 8 to 12 inches here for most of eastern Massachusetts, well north and west of Boston, western part of the state, we're talking about 4 to 8. For the mid and outer Cape, we're going to see obviously amounts decrease from west to east, but that's the most uncertainty here. I'd say from the Cape Cod Canal to the South Shore with some heavier bands of snow setting up, blowing and drifting snow with the blizzard warnings in effect here. We've put over a foot in a little bullseye area in localized amounts where those heaviest bands set up tomorrow afternoon. Wind is going to gust 35 to 50 in eastern Massachusetts. The strongest wind noontime tomorrow through the early evening. Strongest wind gusts will be from the tip of Essex County back down to the Cape. 50 to 70 mile per hour gusts. That will cause some pockets of damage and outages. My concern, obviously, with the cold coming in after that, it's going to be brutal coastal concern. Seas build 10 to 20 feet just offshore with a 1 to 3 foot surge. Minor to moderate pockets of coastal flooding, significant beach erosion, particularly the north-facing beaches. And just want to show you quickly, look at the wind chill. By the time we get to Friday, it goes 10 to 20 below in a lot of spots. Here's the 7-day forecast. After tomorrow's storm, though, rest of the 7 days fairly quiet, just cold through the weekend. Record cold, in fact, possible Saturday. And then we rebound with a warm-up mid to upper 30s for the beginning part of next week.